Santa, are you ready to show everybody a little Beautycounter math? Yeah, I know. I'm not great at math. You probably didn't need to point that out, but look what I have, a handy dandy calculator, so we're all good. Let's get started. And speaking of getting started, Beautycounter has already started their Black Friday sale with 15% off and free shipping with any orders of $50 and over. That's pretty great, don't you think, Santa? First set that we wanted to show you is the Good Scent hand cream. You get 3 hand creams, Calm, Balance, and Uplift. They're lightweight, but they're ultra hydrating. They're perfect for anyone's purse, and they're normally $34, but with a 15% off, that's $28.90 for 3 of these. That's less than $10 each. Next is our mini Beyond Gloss Vault. Now, this one sells out every single year, and with the 15% off sale, I think these are gonna go pretty fast. These are $49, but with 15% off, $41.65. That's less than $11 each. And you know what is a great idea? Is to pair these up with a hand cream. This is great for any party that you get invited to and you don't want to go in empty-handed. All right, 2 sets that we've shown, Santa. I think that we've given people a good start, right? And thanks for all of your insight. You're always super helpful. Now, we need to start gift wrapping. So let's get going.